So I want to give you a few insights. For example, if in your family there is this belief, or in your childhood, if you have constantly heard that it is so difficult to earn money, money does not grow on trees, you have to work very, very, very hard to earn money. Yeah, and if you have this in your belief system, tell me, how will you earn and retain money? In some of my facilitation sessions, I get very interesting ideas and beliefs. So there was this lady, no matter what she did, extremely intelligent woman, very good at her work. However, no matter what she did, money would never stay. Money would come and always find a way to leave her. Do you know why? After working with her on few sessions, we figured that somewhere deep down, she was guilty. She was guilty that she earned more money than her father. So that guilt did not allow her to retain or to have money. Money would always find its way out of her house. So this is so interesting, isn't it? For those who believe that money comes after a lot of hard work. So I had this young client, and he had this issue that the salary is just not sufficient. It's just not enough. I'm unable to find another job which can give me good money. So somewhere deep down, he had this feeling that he's not working hard enough. The work that he was doing wasn't hard enough, is what he thought, and therefore money didn't reach him, money didn't come to him. So see how there is a relationship between the belief system and what exactly happens to us in a day-to-day life. Now, what I will do is, I am going to read out a few affirmations for you. You can start working with these affirmations. Please write them or chant them. Do it for as long as you are comfortable. If you wish, write it. And then see how it works for you. See if there is some sort of an improvement within yourself with respect to your attitude towards money. So what is it that we want to do? We want to try and make money our friend. Money is just an energy. It responds to the kind of energy you give out. Yeah, if it is extremely difficult, then affirmations come in very, very, very handy. Affirmation is like that, a little cushioning, which helps us to open up around any topic. So come, let's listen to what I have stored for you. I'll read out. What I will also do is read it out twice, so that in case you haven't caught it the first time, you will catch it the next time, right? I will also try and put an overlay of text in the video. Let me see if I can do so. So let's start. I love money. Money loves me. I love money. Money loves me. I allow myself to earn more money than I can ever think of. I allow myself to earn more money than I can ever think of. I allow myself to be joyously prosperous. I allow myself to be joyously prosperous. I am open to various known and unknown resources of money. I am open to various known and unknown resources of money. I and money have a loving, harmonious relationship. I and money have a loving, harmonious relationship. I allow myself to enjoy money. I allow myself to enjoy money. I am willing to let go of all fears around money. I am willing to let go of all fears around money. The last one is the best and I use it very often. I am a money magnet. I am a money magnet. Now tell me, how do you feel after listening to these affirmations? Are you comfortable? Are you happy? Are you relieved? Are you uncomfortable? Are you upset? What exactly happened to you after listening to these affirmations? Please comment below. I'd love to hear. Now, for those of you who are willing and open, I invite you to practice these affirmations. Like I said, read, chant, dance, say it in front of the mirror, write, do whatever attracts you. Do whatever you are comfortable doing. Yeah, practice it for a few days. Come back and write to me. Tell me what your experience was. Either you can write it in the comment box below, or you can connect with me over Instagram and put in your comments on one of my posts. On Instagram, what I have started doing is I have started giving out 2 affirmations per week. These are not really around any topic. It depends on that particular day, the energy with which I wake up, what affirmation comes to me. I will come and put it up on Instagram. So please connect with me over whichever medium is comfortable to you. Do use these affirmations, and I'm so happy to have you here on my channel. Come and visit me, and thank you for all the encouragement, and please do practice, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.